Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of skincare and discover how to refresh your routine for spring? I'm thrilled to guide you through this journey, and I promise it'll be an enlightening experience. So, you've probably noticed that as the weather warms up, your wardrobe gets a spring makeover, right? Well, it's time to give your skincare the same treatment. Just like shedding those winter layers, adjusting your skincare routine can make you feel lighter and more radiant. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical about constantly changing your skincare products. Trust me, I get it. It's easy to get caught up in the endless cycle of new trends and recommendations, but today, we are taking a more mindful approach. You see, our skin is incredibly sensitive to changes in temperature and humidity. As the seasons shift, so do our skin's needs. And this is where the magic happens. By tweaking your products, you can ensure your skin stays happy and healthy all year round. Let's take a closer look at why this is so important. During the colder months, our skin tends to dry out due to the chilly temperatures and indoor heating. This is when we need richer creams and barrier repair ingredients to keep our skin hydrated and protected. But as spring arrives, our skin goes through a recalibration. The warmer temperatures and increased humidity can lead to oilier skin and clogged pores. This is where gentle exfoliation and lightweight hydration come into play. One thing that immediately stands out to me is the importance of consistency. While we adjust our products, we must maintain a solid skincare foundation. This means sticking to a gentle cleanser, a barrier-supportive moisturizer, and, of course, sunscreen. Speaking of sunscreen, did you know that UV exposure is higher in spring and summer? Even on cloudy days, those UVA rays are still penetrating our skin, causing photoaging and pigmentation. So, sunscreen is a non-negotiable, year-round essential. Now, let's talk about some specific product recommendations. For cleansers, I highly recommend gentle gel and foaming formulas. These help remove dirt and excess oil without disrupting the skin barrier. La Roche-Posay's Toleriane Purifying Cleanser is an excellent gel alternative, and Blue Lagoon Skin Science's Foaming Cleanser is packed with antioxidant-rich ingredients. When it comes to moisturizers, gel creams and lightweight lotions are your friends. These formulas absorb quickly, providing hydration without that greasy feeling. Summer Friday's Cloud Dew Gel Cream is a fantastic option, and for a more budget-friendly choice, Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel is a derm-love favorite. And let's not forget about targeted treatments. Spring is the perfect time to reintroduce actives like retinoids, AHAs, and BHAs. These ingredients can help address any dullness or texture changes that may have occurred during winter. La Roche-Posay's Retinol B3 Serum is a gentle yet effective option, and The Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% Serum is another great choice for controlling oil and calming inflammation. For those with drier skin, hydration flooding with essences, toners, and ampoules is key. Rose Glazing Milk and Mora's Pearl Peptide Glaze Facial Essence are excellent options to maximize hydration without adding heaviness. Lastly, let's talk about sunscreen again. SPF is crucial, and there are some fantastic options out there. Round Lab's Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen has a smooth, hydrating texture, and merits the uniform sunscreen offers a silky smooth finish with complexion coverage. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to refreshing your skincare routine for spring. Remember, it's all about adapting to your skin's changing needs and maintaining that consistent skincare foundation. I hope this has inspired you to give your skincare some extra love this season. Now, go ahead and treat yourself to some new products, and let me know how your skin transforms. Until next time, beauty lovers.